I love to use creamy mayonnaise to make different recipes like plain in a chicken or tuna salad or to make sauces and dressings. But unfortunately, store-bought mayo, the main ingredients in it are processed oils, especially soybean or canola that tends to also be GMO too. Remember that processed oils are very inflammatory to the body and inflammation causes most every disease. Now they can try to fool you and think it's a healthy product. They might throw in some olive oil on top of all the processed junk, or they might say it's organic canola oil, but that just means it's not GMO, it's still a processed oil. So I love to make my own. Things are only as healthy as the ingredients that you put in it, so always remember that. And I love using an immersion blender. It's just a lot easier and it makes it successful every time. I've tried a regular blender and failed miserably. So you start with cracking a whole egg, hopefully organic, in the bottom of your container, and then you add 3/4 to 1 cup of oil. Most recipes will call for vegetable oil, but remember that's processed and pretty much evil. I like to use a light olive oil or an avocado oil. You could use a little extra virgin olive oil, but if you use it all, it tends to be too strong. I've heard nut oils are great. I haven't tried them. Then you put in some seasoning like a healthy salt. You can put pepper. You add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of either vinegar or fresh lemon juice. And then most recipes will call for mustard. I just put a spoonful. It's anywhere 2 to 3 teaspoons. But I've also experimented and used other things of equivalent consistency like wasabi paste. I've even tried straight horseradish or a little pesto. It just doesn't always emulsify correctly and turn out creamy. It may break and turn out thin, but you could still use it for an aioli. So you let all your ingredients settle in the bottom of your container, put your immersion blender in the bottom, and then you turn it on, and within 5 to 10 seconds, this is gonna turn into yummy, creamy mayo. And then I'm gonna lift it up to blend in the rest of the oil and done. So here we go. There you have it. You've got your rich, creamy mayo. I like to keep this in the fridge for at least a week or so. It's not gonna last for months like a bottle of store-bought mayo because it's not gonna have all the preservatives in it, which is another bonus. You don't want all that other junk in there. So try it. It's not only easy and it's healthier, but it's also much tastier. Research shows that clicking the thumbs up and subscribe button will make fingers healthy and strong, and besides, it's free.